को भी देना चाहो तो कौन सा गिफ्ट देना चाहोगे?
Actually, give my mother a pair of diamond earrings. So I think अभी सब लड़कियों के दिमाग में माएँ आती हैं to give jewelry to, and I love to give my mother presents. So yeah, that's who I gifted a pair of diamond earrings to most recently. और मुझे मेरा सबसे पहला diamond is actually very special because my great grandmother's necklace was made small for me because I have a very tiny neck. So it was cut for me and it was given to me by my grandfather when I turned 13. So that's a very special piece of jewelry for me, and it has uncut diamonds in it, and it's an heirloom piece. So that's my most special piece of jewelry.
Because for testing them, we don't have really.
Actually, it's quite simple, and which is why I associate myself with Forever Mark, because a Forever Mark diamond has a unique inscription which is specific to that piece and to that diamond. And I think less than 1% of the world's diamonds are marked Forever Mark diamonds. So when you have a Forever Mark diamond, it has that unique inscription which makes that diamond uniquely yours. So that diamond is truly rare, it's truly beautiful and precious, and it's truly yours. So I think it's quite a simple choice.
Rolling. So it is, it's a information you can ask person question also.
No,
So,
not at all. I'm here for Forever Mark, so just let's stick to it. And Jim
let us say things you look into whenever you become a part of it.
I think quality, quality, and quality. Those are the three things. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
I think quality, quality, and more quality. Yeah.
Apart from diamonds, what are the three things you always carry with yourself? You always carry with yourself.
What are the three things that I always have on me? I guess my phone, my house keys, I don't know, and my cards. Yeah, my credit cards.
You said that diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Yeah.
Would you like to add something to that? Like, how would you define that?
How would I?
What kind of obsession you have for diamonds?
I think with diamonds, I mean, don't you love diamonds? Yeah, everybody loves diamonds. So it's whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend said the right thing because they truly are. I think every girl has a pair of diamond earrings or would like to own a pair of diamond earrings. And whether you own them or not, you would, when you wear a pair of diamond earrings, you really feel pretty in them. So it's just that.
Okay,
Aditi, the response of the Guddu Rangila is very good, the buzz is really positive around the corner. So how's the feeling all together,
I find that question very. I mean, I'm really excited because obviously.
Please continue.
Yeah, because it's a film that we all sort of put our hearts and souls into. Subhash sir is a fantastic director. The cast is wonderful. We had great fun shooting. It's a super script. And jab uska, when the reaction to that is good, then you really feel happy. But abhi, there's a lot more to be done. The film has to release, people have to like it, and we're all keeping our fingers crossed. We have a fun film, and I hope you all like it.
जिस तरह का ट्रेंड आजकल चल रहा है इंडस्ट्री में, चाहे मैं अभी बॉम्बे वेलेट की बात करूँ, जिस तरह जो कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट हुआ उसका, छोटी फिल्म कंटेंट वाइज फिल्म है, चाहे वो पीकू हो चाहे और फिल्म हो, उन्हें बहुत सराहा जा रहा है. तनु वेट्स मनु रिटर्न हो, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तो कंटेंट इज ऑलवेज अ किंग.
I think जिस दिन ये ट्रेंड्स नाम निकल जाएगा ना सबके दिमाग से, and people would stop sort of, I don't know, being following this kind of herd mentality kind of system. I think we'll start making better films. Not only films, in every sphere. I think things will improve because ultimately if you have good content, if you have a good story to tell, and if you've told it well, log aapki film dekhenge. And it doesn't matter if it has a big star, a small star. Yes, it may take time to pick up, but a good story will pick up.
Aditi, कोई ऐसा रोल है या आपका कोई ड्रीम रोल है या कोई ड्रीम कैरेक्टर जॉब करना चाहते हो, बी इट बायोपिक और समथिंग एल्स? जैसे अभी मैरी कॉम हमने देखी है, मर्दानी देखी है, ऐसे कोई आपका कोई ड्रीम कैरेक्टर है, कुछ
when जब आपका कुछ एक ड्रीम कैरेक्टर या एक ड्रीम रोल होता है, I feel like you're limiting yourself because you're only thinking about that. There are so many things to be done. There are so many people who are writing amazing stuff. But yeah, there is one thing that I would love to do is I would love to do like a real
hardcore romance. I really want to do that, and I would love to do one sort of period film. I think both I would love to do. But apart from that, I like to be versatile. I don't like to, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता कोई मेरे को डब्बे में डाल दे कि आप यही करो, आप innocent लगते हो तो आप यही रोल करो. I don't like that. I like to do various kinds of things. I like to be versatile. And I think इस साल मैंने काफ़ी अलग-अलग किस्म के films की हैं. Even in the past, like from London, Paris, New York to Murder 3, I try to do like different stuff, and I try to do the best that I can.
अलग ही अवतार देखने को भी मिला है जिस तरीके से अभी आप काफी बोल्ड लगता है
ये बोल्ड शब्द मेरे को एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आता है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, वो हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अलग होता है. हाँ, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. या इट इज़ अ रियली फन कैरेक्टर. उसमें बहुत सारे it's not a straight up character. There were lots of shades to it. She's like one of the boys in the film. She's with Guddu Rangila all the time. Character का नाम Baby है. It was great fun playing that. Also वो आँखों से बहुत बात करती है. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती, आँखों से बात करती है.
अगर आपने कहा था कि आप एक डाई हार्ड रोमांटिक मूवी करना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर जिनके साथ रोमांस करने के लिए सोच रही है?
अब ये मैं अगर बोल दूंगी तो मतलब कोई ना कोई तो बुरा मान जाएगा. तो मैं नहीं बोलती.
Well, thank you so much. We have our panelists